Hey, Remote Pilot 101, Jason Schappert here again with an SUAS update about an interesting development out of D.C. Announced on January 14th, the Pentagon will be soon stand up a counter unmanned aerial system office to be headed by the Army. Following the Dubai Air Show in November, Undersecretary of Defense for Acquisition and Sustainment Ellen Lord visited numerous locations across the Middle East, including U.S. military facilities in Iraq and Afghanistan. During the meeting with reporters hosted by George Washington University's Project for Media and National Security in Washington, Lord relayed that the thing that was really at the top of everybody's mind were counter UAS operations. As small unmanned aerial vehicles are becoming more and more popular, unfortunately, as weapons of choice, she went on to assert that the United States needs to remain agile, pivoting to that challenge, and as such, the DoD is nearly finished outline policy that would direct this new group. Pentagon leaders have decided to designate the Army as the executive agent for counter-drone technologies. The office will be in Crystal City, Virginia, across from the Pentagon, and staffed with around 60 people. Lord said the group will examine the many counter-UAS efforts across the Department of Defense and come up with 3 to 5 systems that are best for the military, making certain they are certainly effectively leveraged. So the DoD is bringing together a number of organizations, including the Office of the Director of Operational Tests and Evaluation and the Defense Digital Service, also to work on this effort. Robert Beller, the head of the DOT&E, currently has a group conducting independent tests and evaluation of fielded systems. According to Beller, the coming end of April, they will have an evaluation completed and written up, the time frame coinciding with when the DoD would like to select 3 to 5 recommendations. The department is examining a variety of sensor modalities and defeat mechanisms, but Lord reiterates, the keys are command and control as well as communication across theater. She went on to insist that the office aims to thwart both small and large adversary UAS. Countering rogue and enemy drones has long been an objective for the Defense Department. But recent high-profile events, including the alleged Iranian attack on Saudi Aramco facilities in September, have thrown the technology into the spotlight. Knowing that the adversary is agile, updating our tactics and techniques and procedures on the fly, Lord says, the DoD is looking for nimble systems where we can push patches same day to stay ahead of the threat. According to Lord, the Pentagon is gung-ho about tackling these issues, such as senior leadership involvement and funding. They're all on the rise. In terms of the industrial base, counter-UAS is one of the acquisition and sustainment offices with 4 key focal areas, others being microelectronics, 5G networks, and hypersonics. With speed being the new stealth, hypersonics, well, those are weapons that travel at Mach 5 or higher. That's pretty fast. That's 5 times faster than the speed of sound. So America's top nuclear commanders have stated in recent years that the U.S. cannot currently defend against these weapons, even as China and Russia have led the way in their development. As such, the department has also announced plans to establish a hypersonics war room, collaborating with outside companies to examine the defense industrial base. These technologies represent the Pentagon's top research and development priorities, and it plans to buy large numbers of systems when they are mature enough to be fielded. So what do you all think about the expansion of a counter-drone and hypersonic spaces, for that matter? Should drones get their own branch like the Space Force? Let us know. What do you think? YouTube, Facebook, leave your comments down below. Remote Pilot 101 as well. You know, I read each and every comment here, so I can't wait to see what you all have to say. Remote Pilot 101 is the most successful Part 107 test prep course on the market, with over 18,000 tests passed. It's one price, and you get our updated initial and brand new recurrent course for life. It's 2 courses for the price of one, and it's for life. See the actual test questions, learn the material, take the practice quizzes, all at your own pace through our easy videos you've already grown to love. Visit remotepilot101.com to become a member for life and learn more.